I am sure you all would have heard the news about one global consulting company recently announcing that its senior leaders will now be evaluated on how effectively they use the company's internal AI tools. Yes, you heard it right. AI usage is becoming a performance parameter. And if you're sitting in a mid-level role thinking this is only relevant for senior executives, think again. Because this is not about one company. This is about the direction corporate India is moving towards. Today, I want to decode what this really means for your career. Not emotionally, not fearfully, but strategically. Let's step back. Why would a company make AI adoption part of performance evaluation? Because AI is no longer optional. It is now a productivity multiplier. If two leaders deliver similar outcomes, but one does it 30% faster using AI, who do you think becomes more valuable? This isn't about technology enthusiasm. It's about business efficiency. And once efficiency becomes measurable, it becomes evaluable. And once it becomes evaluable, it becomes promotable. This is how corporate systems evolve. For 20 years, performance evaluation was built on revenue contribution, team management, delivery quality, stakeholder management. Now, a new layer is being added: technology leverage. The expectation is shifting from "I worked hard" to "I worked smart using tools." And that shift is subtle, but powerful. Earlier, AI skills were good to have. Now they are becoming signal of future leadership readiness. This is not a trend. This is structural change. If you are 28, 32, 38 years old, here's what this means for you. Your competition is no longer the colleague in the next cubicle. Your competition is the colleague who knows how to use AI better than you. Imagine two managers. Manager A works 12 hours, manually prepares reports, spends weekends on presentations. Manager B uses AI to draft reports, automates analysis, spends time on strategy. Manager B looks more strategic, not because they are smarter, but because they leveraged tools. Corporate rewards leverage, not effort. That's the uncomfortable truth. Let me say something clearly. Promotion decisions are not only about output. They are about future potential. When leadership evaluates you, they ask, is this person future ready? In 2026 and beyond, future ready includes comfort with AI, process automation thinking, digital fluency, adaptability. If you resist AI, you are signaling resistance to change, and resistance rarely gets promoted. Now, some of you may be thinking, is AI going to replace me? Wrong question. The better question is, how can I use AI to increase my leverage? Corporate history teaches us one pattern. Spreadsheets didn't eliminate finance professionals. They eliminated slow finance professionals. Email didn't eliminate managers. It eliminated managers who couldn't adapt. AI will not eliminate professionals. It will eliminate stagnation. So what should you do? Let me give you a practical framework. Step 1. Identify 3 repetitive tasks in your role. Step 2. Explore how AI tools can draft, analyze, summarize, structure. Step 3. Use AI as assistant, not replacement. Step 4. Document your efficiency improvement. Because remember, what gets measured gets rewarded. If your productivity improved by 25%, make sure your manager knows. Visibility plus AI equals acceleration. Silence plus hard work equals stagnation. This news is not about AI. It is about corporate evolution. The corporate system always rewards those who adapt early, learn continuously, signal future relevance. If AI becomes a promotion metric in one company, it will spread quietly gradually. I have seen this pattern for 25 years. Technology becomes expectation. Expectation becomes baseline. Baseline becomes filter. If you want to grow in corporate today, hard work is not enough. Technical skill is not enough. Experience is not enough. Strategic adaptability is the new currency. And if you want to position yourself better for growth, I have created a free resume and LinkedIn optimization checklist. It's in the description below. Before you apply for your next role, before your next appraisal, go through it. Because growth today is about positioning. Subscribe to Corporate Growth Hacks, where we don't just work hard, we work smart.